Amina Khan. Today I will explain you relative velocity question of Add Maths. It is question number 8a from exercise 24.2. Three informations are given here. Number one, the aircraft is flying due south. So in the direction of south it has to go. So this will become my true velocity. And the wind is blowing at 70 km from the direction theta. And theta is acute. So this is the velocity of wind. Direction is also given to us. And then finally the aircraft is steering in the direction of 170. So in this question we know all three directions. Let's see how we will solve this question. So if we see here, airplane is going in the direction of south, so it is 350 km per hour, and it is a true velocity because the actual destination where ship is going, plane is going, that is always a true velocity. And wind is coming from the direction of theta. When it is saying from, it means coming towards. When it is saying on the direction, it will be like this, going away from the point. So it is coming from the direction, so arrow will be pointing in this direction. And because theta is acute, that's why it is only in between 0 and 90 degree. Second thing, the direction set by the pilot is on the bearing. When it is saying on the bearing, it will go away. So it is on the bearing 170 degree. The speed is not given to us here. We will calculate it. Now it is understood if plane has to come here, wind is coming from here. So common sense says that steering should be like this, which is already given to us here. Now let's complete the diagram. So in this diagram, if you see, plane is coming here, direction set by the pilot is this, wind is coming from here, and it will reach here. Now since this is 170 given to us in the question, this will become 80 degree because it is a straight line south. So 180 minus this is 10 degree. And this is also given to us in the question, and this is also given to us in the question. Now we have to find out the value of theta, mean at what on what bearing it is coming from the wind. The wind is coming on from what direction. So this theta we have to calculate. Because theta is acute, it is given to us. This is also acute. So we know before solving anything that this answer should be obtuse angle, because if it was 60, this was 60, then it could be 60. We have this basic information. So if this is 10 degree, this is acute, so this has to be obtuse. Now let's see, we will apply sine rule. When we apply sine rule here, sine theta 1 over 350 is equals to sine 10 over 70. So my answer is coming here 60.255. Mostly students do not realize it and use this answer in their working, and then they get the wrong answer later on for this question. So we know from the previous chapter of trigonometric, chapter 10 and 11, the sine of acute angle and sine of obtuse angle give you same answer, and that's why whenever we apply sine rule, there is a chance of ambiguity, so we have to be very careful. So we will use common sense. We will minus it from 180 degree and get this answer. So answer is 119.745. So now to find out this angle here, we will add up these two angles. So it is 10 degree and this is 119. Minus it from 180 to get this answer. Why do we need it? So that we can apply sine rule again and we can find out this speed here. So let's see here. So when we subtracted it from 180 degree, we got 50.255. And then we apply sine rule. And from the sine rule, we have found the velocity 309.95, which in three significant figure will be 310. So now we have a true velocity, we have the magnitude, and we have the direction as well. I hope it is clear to you. And now we will solve part B in the next video. Thank you.